So generally, data is a very boring subject. People don't want to talk about. But when you show it in a graphical format with, bar charts and pie charts, then people actually can see what actually data means to them. Qlik Sense just brings that data to life and makes it available to everyone.
If someone says to you, can I see this level of data, for example, a few clicks of a button and you've got it, it's a much more useful tool to be able to analyse all of our data across all of the various either procedures or from a finance point of view. So from every aspect it's been extremely useful.
We have better visibility about utilisation of our resources, projects that we do, which ones are profitable, which ones are not so profitable, and actually basically just optimising the business as we go forward. We've got a very clear strategy over the next 2 or 3 years, and we need Qlik Sense to be able to make the right decisions.
Traditionally, a user will come to IT and ask for a report that's a SQL report. We would do it over a couple of days. And now what happened is we decide what data we want to give to users. So we create some data views, and then it is up to user now how they want to use that data. So that's the best part. So they know what chart they want to use. They also know what data they want to use. They have to just bring those two together and just create a dashboard or a report for them.
The key difference is actually shifting some of the analytical development work effectively to the business from IT. It's enabling the business to do what they've historically been reliant on IT to do for them.
Another good feature that we like about Qlik Sense is user stories. This is more like having your PowerPoint presentation but created on live data.
You can build a slide deck, you can show that in a meeting. Rather than having great big board packs sat in front of us, we can actually do it visually. It's real time, it's up to date.
We're becoming more and more dependent on mobile devices. So although it's got great desktop compatibility, the mobile functionality is going to be of great benefit to us.
The data is highly confidential, patient information, stuff like that. So finance people, for example, can view certain amounts of data, clinicians other parts, and being able to control that and let people see really what they want to see is quite useful.
When we chose Qlik Sense, it was relatively new out, but it kind of ticked all the boxes that we wanted, and it was also, I felt at that time, going to be the leading product over the next few years. And I'm kind of sitting at the end thinking, yes, I made the right decision.
I love the product. So first give it a try, just convince yourself and then invest in it.